Hi guys! How are you guys? So guys, pasensya na po kayo at ngayon lang po uli ako nakapag-upload. So guys, today po I'm gonna be reacting Stell's solo song. Yung pong bago niya ngayon na yung pong bago niyang nilabas na Room. So panoorin natin guys. So guys, napanood ko to nung nakaraan, nung nag-debut siya. Tapos nung hindi na, isang beses ko lang po siya napanood. So, let's go to the video guys.
As soon as I step forward and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they good in mine. Happens all the time. Tell me I can get you off my mind.
So guys, nababibes ko sa kanya si yung lyrics at saka yung music. Nababibes ko po si Michael Jackson at saka si Bruno Mars. Which is, paborito niya po si Bruno Mars. Kaya that's why. So, ang galing mo, Stell.
My oh my. Come and get it, so let's talk about it in my room. You're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry.
Michael Jackson talaga na Michael Jackson.
And now you've tried one of a kind. It's okay if you cry, but I see you smile. Might have sent you way too high. Hope you come alive. And space, we don't need that. Let time slow its pace. Fade to black, cause now we're face to face. There's the only answer. This energy that's within me won't ever let you escape. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Dance.
It's so good. It's so good, guys. Mapapaindak ka talaga. Sa kanta niya, mapapaindak ka. Ang galing ni Stell. Sobra.
Don't you worry, as long as you're here with me, you won't take no hurt, cause I will be your sanctuary. If you only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to leave this room, cause I'm your everything. Can you read the room?
You can't leave the room kung si Stell yung kumakanta. So, meron siyang vibes na talagang nakakahalima. Nakakahalima siya talaga. Dang! So good! So, yan po yung lyrics. So, ngayon po, kasama na si Macho doon po sa, sa music video. So,
Hi guys!
so let's try the music video, guys.
I've come!
Natapos ko na yung lyrics, be. Tagal mo eh.
I was taking a potty
So
break.
good! Ang ganda-ganda,
I was joking.
grabe.
I was
Ang ganda ng lyrics, guys. Sobrang makabuluhan. Yun yung pagkatao ni Stel.
So you did
Kumaga
the
deep
lyrics?
inside him na meron siyang tinatagong kakayanan talaga. Na pag nailabas niya, talagang lahat mapapahanga. Wow! Pasensya na kayo guys ha, may sakit pa ako. So medyo matamlay po yung reaction ko ngayon kasi may sakit ako.
Audition.
Napanood ko yung debut niya, be. Yung sumayaw siya sa stage. Pero isang beses lang. Yan, ang pogi.
As soon as I step forward and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they couldn't mine. Happens all the time. Then you tell me I can't get you off my mind. My oh my. Come on, get inside, let's talk about it in my room. Babe, hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. You will find the answer.
Ang ganda ng
This
babae.
energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie, trembling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living. Can you read the room? Can you read the room?
Ano pa panoorin? Naku, dapat pala nilalaman si Matt.
Break it to you.
What? What's so bad about it?
Masyadong sexy, babe.
He's eating it up. He's eating it up. He's literally eating.
Dahil yung ganda ng babae.
He's laying.
Dance, dance.
This is already one of the best.
Speechless.
Oh my God, Stel. Kita yung...
Tingnan mo?
Kita yung mali. Wala ba kasi... Dapat ka manood! Hala, dapat hindi ko pinapanood si Matt.
I'll watch worse.
Dance.
He's literally
Oh my God, ang
pulling.
pogi ni Stel.
He has W Riz.
Parang si ano, Superman. Tapos yung tugtog, yung kanta, di ba? Yung lyrics, ang ganda-ganda, guys. Bagay na bagay sa boses niya. Oh. Hinagpag na.
Don't you worry, as long as you're here with me, you won't take
Bro, just kiss already.
Masyadong intimate.
if you only let me orchestrate this story. We won't have to live this through.
So all of them now have like their own solo.
Wow, ang sexy ng Stel.
Can you read the room?
Yeah, you can read the room pag sister yung kumakanta.
Can you? I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living.
Who's that?
It's so good, guys.
Actually really good.
So, nung, yung sa lyrics, talagang, yung kanta niya nagustuhan ko na, yung beat, yung music talaga, maganda na siya. Malam Michael Jackson, malam Bruno Mars. Kasi si Bruno Mars talaga, idol talaga ni Stel. Gusto niya talaga si Bruno Mars. Nililook up niya talaga si Bruno Mars. at saka si Michael Jackson. So kaya siguro ngayon yun yung tema nung tema ng ano niya, ng kanta niya. Pero ang ganda nung pagkakagawa ng lyrics na alam mo yun, yung ibig sabihin ng lyrics na deep inside him, mayroon siyang natatago na pagka ipinakita niya sa madlang people is talagang mamamangha yung madlang people maaakit sa kanya. Kaya hindi makakalib ng room. Oh my God, Stel! Ang galing-galing mo, Stel!
So, Pablo's was the one
That's Pablo, yeah.
Pablo was the one he did with... He wrote it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness. And did Pablo wrote all of their songs?
Yeah, I think so.
Even
I don't know
Ken?
about Josh and Ken. I think isa kaya... I think meron kay Josh, pero yung iba, hindi, I'm not sure if Pablo wrote some of his songs.
I say we for our next video, we take a look at the best parts of each of their song. For Pablo, yung isang song niya, kay Josh yung rap, Ken yung parang rock, kay
Sige kasi
Justin,
hip hop rock.
kay Justin yung parang beautiful song, yung what is it?
Country song.
No, what was it? It was like
Country song.
the name of the title of the song for Justin.
Surreal.
Surreal, and then this one.
Yeah. So my God, Steph, ang galing-galing mo talaga.
I was waiting for a style one.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah,
I was.
so
really.
good.
Yeah. Hindi ko kalain. Alam mo guys, yung music na to.
This is more wild.
Pang international.
This is more crazy than other.
Pang international siya guys. So siya yung pinakahuling nila, pero tignan mo naman, no, nag-bomba. Wow. Masyadong intimate po yung video. Ang galing din ng babae. So, sana nagsisi ako ba't ko pinapanood si Macho doon sa... But 16 na si Macho.
It's not worth. Yeah, I'm 60. It's
Yeah.
not. It's literally nothing.
Okay. So yeah guys, na-enjoy ko po yung music video ni Stel. Ang galing-galing mo, Stel. Sobrang proud of you talaga. Pang international na yung beauty mo.
I would say that this one like was actually way more crazy than the others.
Ew.
That was a fly.
So yeah.
So Stel's video is like way more crazy than the others. Because I find Pablo is like really, really hype. And then Ken is like a song you would listen to when like you're also hype as well. Same thing for Josh. And then Justin's video is like kind of way more different because it's like beautiful, you know? It's like a beautiful song. But Stel's song is like...
Ang international.
Wag mo yan. Stel's song is like more wild, more crazy.
Sabi niya nga dun sa interview niya, kasi napanood ko guys yung ano niya, yung mismong ano niya, debut niya. Sabi niya medyo yung ano nga daw, yung song na daw na to, yung gagawin niya itong in the future na song niya is medyo bold, sabi niya. So ayan na nga, inumpisahan niya na, oh my God, ang galing-galing mo sa Stel. Oh my God, so proud of you.
I saw how she was acting.
Huh?
I saw how you were acting.
Ang pogi-pogi ni Stel. Diba?
He was getting into that. He was feeling it. He was feeling it, guys.
Kaya nga diba nakita ko dun sa mga comment dun sa ano niya, debut niya na madami daw na asar doon sa babae.
Bakit?
Siyempre na nagsisirlos yung mga 80.
Ay nako.
Yeah, pero ang ganda ng babae. Yeah, ang galing din ng babae. Ang galing umarte.
They're so pretty.
So yeah guys, if you wanna support the channel, I put my affiliate I put my Amazon affiliate link down below. If you wanna buy some camera, if you're new to vlogging or YouTube channel,
It's time to vlog.
Yeah, you can buy there some stuff like camera or selfie sticks. So yeah, So, thank you so much guys for watching. Sana po nagustuhan niyo yung reaction video namin ng anak ko. And I'm so proud of you, Stel. Thank you so much for sharing
You
your
are so
talent.
hot. You're so hot, Stel.
Yeah, you're so hot.
You are stunning. You ate that. Oh my god.
Yeah. So, thank you guys. Thank you po. Bye-bye.